Defending champions National Housing Trust and Scotiabank A secured convincing wins to remain on a collision course for the Business House Netball Association Open League crown. The RJR Gleena team also chalked up another victory in the consolation knockout. After sweeping all before them in the 2018 season and capturing 2 trophies so far, champions NHT were in no mood to give up their Open League crown. They blew away the opposition during the preliminary round and have since recorded 2 big victories in the playoff round of the Open League. Their latest conquest was against the hapless Jamaica Customs, who they demolished 29-7. The champions, who got off to a brilliant start, led comfortably at halftime 16-1 before cruising in the second stanza for a 22-goal win.
NHG is in the playoffs, so every game we are taking very serious. It's not business as usual. It's going down to crunch time. We have one more playoff game, which is ATL, which is a very good team. So we're just going back to training and get things together that we didn't get right tonight.
Scotiabank A, who last won the Open League 4 seasons ago, also secured their second win in the playoffs. The former champions defeated KSA MC 28-18. The banking giants had a comfortable 17-9 halftime lead before relaxing for their 10-goal victory. Over in the consolation knockout, the RJR Gleena team made it 2 from 2 as they pushed for a place in the final with a tough 20-17 win over Hardware and Lumber. The Media Ladies, who finished their group as runners-up in their preliminary stage, just missing out on an Open League spot, were level at 10-all with their opponents. They had to use their experience to stave off the determined effort from their opponents and held on to win by 3 goals.
Well, at 10-10, we just realized that Hardware and Lumber, they were really like lumber and steel. And we decided that, look here, we're going to open another shop at RJR Gleena and put a stop to it because they were definitely going to be hard to beat. And for the team, it meant so much to get this win because we've been watching Hardware and Lumber. We know that they come tough as nails, but definitely RJR Gleena at 10-10, we said, you know what, we're going to go give it our all and to play hard.
The plan coming into the second half was to play carefully, to not play RJR's game but play our game, to take care of the ball and convert our centre passes. Unfortunately, it did not go according to plan this afternoon, but we'll regroup for the divisional league.